Be on the cards. Break the mold. Compile. Complete. Concrete. Contribute. Contributing.
Decline.
Demolish. Dramatic. Extensive. Fall into place. Have a change of heart. Inevitable.
Literacy.
Major. Massive. Minimal. Minor. Notable. Overtake. Permanent. Primary. Reinvent the wheel. Retention. Revolutionary. Set in stone. Significant. Slight. Substantial. Turn over a new leaf.